So like I say, we discovering a lot on this nature walk over here in Montgomery, Alabama. But you can see it's like a little abandoned house right here. I don't think nobody ever went in that bitch and none of that. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Michael Myers probably in that, bro.
I ain't finna go in it, but like, we discovered an old house. Like, get some cars on the side of the house and all that and stuff.
Yeah, what a car. Yeah.
You see, if it was back in the old day, you see they'll get a truck. It's an abandoned truck somewhere around here. They see us walking around down here, they'll probably use one of these trees to hang us. And like, to hang us, they'll get us a rope, put it on like that, push it, tie it to the tailgate, and then drive and let us hang.
Alright, so we stumbled upon another abandoned house in the woods, right? If you look up there, you know what I'm saying, you can see another house or whatever. Like I say, I'm not finna get close to it or none of that because I don't know what's up in there, what type of spirits up in there, but another abandoned house in Montgomery, Alabama. You never know how long these houses been here. You never know how long.
Yeah, that might was a slave on the house. Cause look at all this land right here.
Straight land. It's so much land. It's so much land over here in Alabama. So if you come to the South and you trying to buy some land, Montgomery is one of the places that you can get a lot of land at. Trust me, when you get your land, don't sell your shit. They call this shit them ropes. They call them ropes nooses.
Yeah.
That's what they call it, a noose. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, it's a lot of blood up under these streets over here in Alabama.
You probably got it from here. Don't know yet.
Yeah, you probably you know where we got our water from. Well, not we. I'm just speaking as black people coming up through.
Yeah, because we don't know the experience, so.
Yeah. See, if you look over there, this like in the area that I'm in, which is on Pocahontas Road, it's the only little grocery store that got over here. And you can tell certain people have to go miles and miles away just to go to this store or whatever.
Yeah.
So just think, back in the time when your grandma was little, just think how far she had to travel to go get a loaf of bread. So take a look around to where we at. We stumbled upon another abandoned house in the woods. We got the no trespassing sign right there, so we ain't finna go that far. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna stay where it's necessary at. But like, if you look over here, it's another abandoned house.
And just think about it. That might be the slave or some home, some.
It might be, you know what I'm saying? Like what he trying to say is it might be houses that slaves owned back in the time. That's why you see a lot of these abandoned houses be in the woods. That's, you know what I'm saying? No electricity or none of that.
Yeah, small houses. Cause they didn't have that much money.
Yeah, so this is the closest I ever get to some of my ancestors and how they experiencing how they used to live. In Montgomery, Alabama, it's a lot of blood up under these streets from slavery.